Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Skill 17. S17 is about recommending solutions. The goal is to choose the right path. Should we build it, buy it, or modify it? The skill is evaluation. You must compare options objectively. To pass, you must show that you didn't just implement the first idea you had, you justified why it was the best choice. Here is your cheat sheet. 1. Options. Always find 3 ways to solve the problem. 2. Criteria. Judge them on cost, risk, and performance. 3. Select. Pick the winner. 4. Justify. Write down, I chose A because it is faster and safer than B. Here is how to apply this tomorrow. Research. Before coding, Google the best practice. Find 2 ways to do it. Compare. Write a code comment explaining your choice. I chose method A because it handles nulls better. Propose. In a stand-up, make a recommendation. I recommend we use this library to save time. Screenshots of these messages are your evidence. Use this STAR structure. Situation. We needed a charting library. Task. I needed to recommend the best one. Action. I compared Chart.js and D3. I evaluated them on ease of use. I recommended Chart.js. Result. Dashboard built quickly. Reflection. I learned that D3 was too complex for our needs. Appropriate doesn't mean most powerful, it means best fit. For your major project, include a technology selection section. Use a comparison matrix table to compare your languages and databases. This proves you are an engineer who thinks about trade-offs, not just a coder who types whatever they know. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices just like you who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.